Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the makeup look I did. I know it's been a while, but I already done my eyebrows and I just did with the Anastasia dip brow pomade and medium brown. And I used the boiling concealer from Benefit Cosmetics in the #1 to carve out my brows. I'm just gonna be setting my eyelids with the same concealer too. And I'm just gonna be blending it out with my beauty blender. And I'm gonna be setting it with the RC Made No Color Powder. I'm gonna be using this little brush right here from Morphe. And if my brows look thick, I don't know what to tell you because it's filled in the places where I don't really have that much hair. So I don't know what to tell you about that. Today I might be doing a Valentine's look. Today I might be going in with the Morphe times Jamescharles palette. This bright pink color right here called Skip. Morphe M576 brush right here and right above my crease. I forgot I was gonna put on some contacts. Let me put on my contacts real quick. So I just put the contacts in and they're in the color Jasmine from I Still Poppin'. And I'm just gonna go back in with the hot pink color called Skip. Make it look a little brighter. The next brush I'm gonna be going in with is the M441 brush right here. And I'm just cleaning off the colors that I used before. And the next color I'm gonna be going in is with Single, this color right here. And I'm just gonna be putting it right next to the hot pink color. I'm just going in with the BH Cosmetics 101 brush right here. I'm gonna just be blending the two colors. Back in with the hot pink color one more time. And back in with the purple color. Blending them one more time. I'm gonna be cutting the crease. I'm gonna be going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Total Coverage in this color right here. I'm just gonna be carving out my eyelid. And then I'm just gonna be going in with this concealer brush right here, the one I always use. I'm just gonna be setting my eyelid once again with the RC Made No Color Powder. a glitter primer from NYX Cosmetics. And I'm going to be using both of these colors from AliExpress. And this is a number 10 and this is a number 6. Is what it looks like so far. These eyelashes right here, I got them from AliExpress and they're in. I'm just gonna be putting on a little bit of mascara and I'm gonna be using a Tarte's mascara. His adhesive lash glue and some lash glue on my eyelash. Sorry if you hear noise in the back, it's my son. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna be doing the other eye off camera really quick. So I got done with the other eye. I was priming my face with the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. And I'll be going in with the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation and then the Tarte Shape Tape foundation. And then I'll be going in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Next I will be going in with the Maybelline concealer. It's a number 5 and then the Makeup Revolution concealer. It's a little dirty. The Anastasia, these two on the left. And for setting powder, I'm going to be using the Airspun powder, and I'm going to be mixing the Arsene No Color powder together and setting everywhere I put concealer. And I'm just going to be using this beauty blender I got from Walmart. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Revolution Photo Ready powder. And for contour, I'm going to be using the Anastasia contour kit right here. And I'm going to be using these two colors. I'm going to be using this brush right here from Morphe. The bronzer, I'm going to be going in with the butter bronzer. And for blush, I'm going to be using Be Matte blush from City Color. And I'm going to be going in with this color right here called Fresh Melon. Using this little Morphe brush. I might be going in with a hot pink color again called Skip, and I might be using the BH Cosmetics 105 brush right here. Round C513 brush for the purple called Single. And for the bottom lashes, I'm going to be taking the Tarte's mascara once again. Brow styler. I may be putting some eyeliner on from NYX Cosmetics. Just highlighter. I may be using Ofra Cosmetics. I may be using Rodeo Drive and Star Island, right? Using the Morphe setting spray. And I'm gonna be going in with Rodeo Drive. The Star Island. And just for like a simple lip, I'm gonna be going in with the Life Glam lipstick right here in color of Martha from my whole face one more time. I'm gonna be going in with a Smashbox primer water and setting. Thank you for watching.